niggas out here in California, man. Y'all need to stay tapped in on my boy channel on some real stuff.
All right, let them know your channel and everything and all that good stuff.
All right, well, y'all can find me on YouTube as Tay Diggins, TayDiggins. I do cars. Tap in.
All right, for sure.
Good looking, bro.
All right.
Hey, nigga, shout out to y'all, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was bad off and still have kids, nigga. Shout out to y'all.
Yeah. All right. You know where I'm at? With this guy. Lucky he didn't say nothing crazy to me today. Because I told him I put my foot down. Put my foot down. And my boy Ty blessed me with the package. Hey, guess what? It's on the house this time. He said, hey, it's free. No, don't worry about that. That ain't the receipt. That's just something I keep for my mental records. No, it was free. This is free. This is all free. Oh, I gotta sign it. Oh, well, hold on. I still gotta sign it though, because it's free. So this may or may not be true. Oh, I ain't gonna let you see my signature. But it's free though. It's on the house, huh? Yeah, oh yeah, all the way. Road trip right quick, you know what I'm saying? Get my roll on. Had to go get these parts from IPC and, you know, get back to it because I was missing screws and stuff because somebody lost the screws probably. Most likely it was this screw loser. He loses all the parts. He's a part loser. He'll lose that miscellaneous screw that you wasn't thinking that you really had to go get a second one for. So just buy duplicates when you're dealing with him. I'm just kidding. Hey, I heard you wanted to tell the people something.
Man, I got a problem with y'all motherfuckers saying that I don't work. I don't know what the fuck y'all niggas talking about. If I'm the one that took apart that car. I'm the one that took Herbie apart like 3-4 times.
But they see you never working anytime I film, and that was the only time they saw you working, I guess.
Because you never catch me when I'm working. Half the time my job's already done, and I'm just chilling.
So you're saying that you work really, really hard at the job you do?
I work really hard and I work really fast. And just for that, just in case if any of y'all come, because he recommended y'all, I ain't gonna put hard work on y'all shit. I'm gonna lose all your bolts on purpose. Because fuck all of y'all.
Riley run, you know what I'm saying, you know. We had to come in here and do our thing, you know. Get in the zone, out of zone, but nope, we ain't out there. Air freshener. I had to get some transmission fluid. There we go.
Hey, which one's a good one?
Which one? For what? Fuel treatment?
Do I gotta get a specific one?
Just get the one that, as long as it's for fuel injection, I think. I might be lying. Is it the Mercon? Chevy, old school Chevy, like for a Chevy Caprice. Which one do you think? Hey, you worked at another one, huh?
A couple of them.
Okay, that's us.
Yeah.
You used to work on the one on the Long Beach?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's the only one I didn't.
Oh.
This one?
Okay, cool. I only have to deal with this for a little while longer. Bertha gonna get put down, take her a rest. Thank you, my brother.
I'm gonna put that big bitch down.
Let's set her down.
Take her to the vet and put her down.
I should start getting my
This one?
my color sanding supplies. It's up to you.
I don't know which one I'll get.
Fuel treatment? I don't know.
Every Raider fan, I'm showing him that. He ain't a real Raider fan. He a Raider fan over here.
Can't that hurt me?
What? There you go.
Hell yeah. It's coming. Hey, what's going on? It's my boy Popularity Contest. He stay looking out, supporting. He got another bottle of that Truth spray bottle. This good wax right here, this stuff right here, had your car shining and everything. He stay looking out. Just so happened I stay running into him around the same spot. You know what it is, so this is what I do. I just stay around. This brother right here that bought gallons from me.
Water tube. Trust me, shit is the truth. It's real shit. One white. You feel me? You gotta do what you gotta do and put it, spray it on, and to make it do, I'm talking about glass cleaning. It does glass cleaning. It does tires. It does all that.
Hey, thank you, brother. This is what it is. It's the truth. It speaks for itself.
Real.
It can't lie. He can't lie. I can't lie. Truth.
I'm keeping it 100.
Say what?
So your
Which way you
former
gotta go?
mechanic kind of fucked up and didn't tell you he fucked up. That's what the fuck happens. And I got to run the brake line through the way he set the master cylinder. It's kind of, the wheel cylinder It's fucking crooked.
They should try tapping it. Take like your flathead.
1,000 watch hours. Once I'm at 4,000 watch hours, I think I'll be all right. See what he did? He just changed out the master cylinder. I ain't gonna put him in the picture. He was gonna fuck him up, fuck his paper up. So you know what I'm saying? He knocked my master cylinder, hooked me up, ran me a new whatever you call it, reservoir. New brake lines, master cylinder. We're gonna bleed it in a minute. Yeah, I know you probably like, why you don't do the work yourself? Because I am not that fucking inclined anymore. If you would ask me in my 20s, I would have said, oh yeah, I do this shit in 10 minutes. But now that I'm in my 40s, well, walking into my 40s, but shit, I'm not in my 20s no more. I don't try shit like this.
How old are you?
41.
You're a baby.
Shit.
How do you think I am?
About like, 38, 37?
I'm 47 years old.
You are? So you take care of yourself though. So you healthy.
I'm so tired.
It's alive! Alive! Oh yeah. Back in action. Now we're gonna do a little color sand, a little buff, and a little over there. Don't worry about under the hood yet. I'm gonna get under there.
You trying to paint it?
With some rust on him. Cause I'm not gonna doll it up because I want to do that, like, you know, they do the custom trunks with the little wood and all that shit. You cut the little piece and put a little material around it. So I wasn't really stressing about that. Plus this car is never for sale, so man, you know you did a phenomenal job on this car, right? I know you know.
Yeah, but this right now, cover up. Right now, when you put it, when we move all this shit, we're gonna fucking put it in there and look for do the electrical.
Electrical, okay. Oh, to figure out those wires in the back, huh? Okay.
At least, have you tried moving it, see if it stops and goes?
It should stop and go. I mean, they ain't the best. They ain't set up the best, but they ain't the worst either. Now straight out, stop, straight. Oh, so that he gonna pull that one forward. Oh, right there, push.